Many of the people face too much problem while using a chopstick. I also faced the same in my initial stage, but today I'm gonna show you how easily you can use a chopstick without any problem. So let's start it. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mubby's Creations. So today I have come with another video which is not a vlog type but which can be very helpful to all of you, because today I'm gonna show you how to eat with a chopstick. So guys, on the first stage, take one stick in this position. Like, you don't have to use these two fingers, but with the other two you just hold one stick like this, then take the other one in between these two fingers. Am I clear? Take one stick in between the third and fourth finger of your hand and take the other stick in between the first and second finger of your hand. Now you just see how you can move this stick. Okay, so in this way you are gonna grab your food. You can move it on this and you can pick anything like this. So I'm gonna show you how you can pick anything easily. So guys, here I have taken two types of thing. One is the bigger one and another one is the smaller one. So now I'm gonna show you how I can pick up the bigger one and the smaller one as well. So guys, let's just start it. So just see the position, one in between the two and another one in between the other two. So I'm gonna pick this chocolate up and see how easily you can pick it up. You can pick it up in this way or you can pick it up in this way as well. So have you seen how easy it is? So now I'm gonna show you how you can pick the smaller one as well. Suppose you are holding one thing, just this and this and this. Again, see, you can pick both two together. You can pick one at a time. So have you seen how easy it is? So hope you have liked my video and it was helpful to you. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.